Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about a company. This company has a very strong potential growth and the potential breakout which is going to be happen. This recommendation is not for the breakout stock recommendation, and this recommendation is for a value investing. I would request all our fellow investors to keep this stock in your portfolio at least for 1 year to gain more in profits, which is going to be more than 3 times from now on. This stock has an all-time high of 700 rupees and all-time low of 150 rupees. Currently, this stock is exactly trading at 200 rupees. I see a very strong and the best potential entry in this company to gain more in profits from this stock, which is going to be less than 1 year. The company which we are going to discuss today is Bandhan Bank. I'm going to let you know both in detailed technical analysis as well as the fundamental analysis, so that by end of this video you could able to have a clear understanding on both the fundamentals of the company as well as the stock price momentum, so that we could able to enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price to gain more in profits from this company. Please make sure you watch this video completely, so by end of this video you could able to have a clear understanding on both the company's performance as well as the technical analysis. I would request you to please subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted the videos on the breakout stocks. When it comes to the technical analysis of the Bandhan Bank, if you see the chart on my screen, I have clearly mentioned the trend lines as well as the very strong support on the resistance lines as well as the parallel channel pattern. This stock was continuously falling from at 750 rupees until 150 rupees. Currently, this stock is exactly in a very strong consolidation. If you see that this stock was heavily fallen from this price until this price, once after the stock is coming into this parallel channel, there is a huge consolidation which is happening in between both the parallel channel up and low. So this means that there is a huge buying pressure as well as the selling pressure within this company. Once after any stock which is in a continuous downtrend, if there is a huge consolidation which is happening, meaning that there is a huge buying pressure which is building up, I'm sure that this stock is going to give a huge breakout, and the best entry into this company is right now. I want you to understand the technical analysis in depth so that you could able to enter at the very right price and gain more in profits from this company. The best entry into this company is going to be over here, which is exactly at 180 rupees, and the target 1 is going to be 281 rupees, and the target 2 is going to be exactly at 345 rupees, and the target 3 is going to be 430 rupees. There is a huge consolidation which is happening in Bandhan Bank right now. That is why we could able to see a lots of volume over here, which where we see both the buyers and the sellers are just trying to make an upper hand on each other. The buyers are trying to move the stock above this trend line support, and the sellers are trying to move the stock below this strong support level. These two lines are very strong support lines for the Bandhan Bank, which where we see a huge potential buying pressure which is building up. So I'm sure that this stock is going to consolidate little bit more again, and is going to break this downtrend line. The line which you're seeing over here is a downtrend line, because like this stock has continuously fallen from an all-time high to an all-time low. So this downtrend line is going to be a break within a very short span of time. Once after, this stock is going to consolidate a little bit more. Once after, a heavy breakout is going to be happen exactly over here with a heavy buying pressure, and once after a heavy breakout was done, then the stock is going to go and hit the target, which is going to be exactly over here at 280 rupees, and then the stock will move further into the upside. I'm sure that there is a huge potential entry which is going to be here, and the potential breakout which is going to be happening in this company. But as we all know that the Nifty 50 is in a very strong consolidation zone, so I want all of our fellow investors to keep that in mind and invest wisely into this company. I want you to buy this stock exactly at 180 rupees. If whatever the amount which you're going to deploy, for example, if you have 1 lakh rupees which you want to deploy in Bandhan Bank, I would ask you to deploy only 50,000 rupees exactly at 180 rupees, and wait for some more time until and unless we get a trend confirmation for the Nifty 50. And if you want to invest more, then the other entry is going to be over here, which is exactly at 160 rupees. So 180 rupees is the best entry, and the 160 rupees which we could able to enter and buy more stocks of Bandhan Bank. Once after the Nifty consolidation is done, I'm sure that this stock is going to skyrocket and will give us at least 3 times of profit from now onwards. When it comes to the fundamental analysis, this company has a very strong market capital which is more than 30,000 crore, and this company is continuously paying a dividend of 0.77% from the past 5 years. This company is incorporated in the year 2014, which is in the banking products and services and the avail asset and the liability products. This company has a very good face value as well as a book value, and this company's earnings per share is more than 18 rupees, and this company's data is 13 rupees. When it comes to the quarterly results as well as the annual results, this company continuously giving a good profits from the past 3 years. If you compare the profits from the past 5 years, this company has provided a huge profits. Currently this company has generated a profit of more than 2,900 crore, which is one of the best for this company, and this company has a very good strong sales growth as well as a profit growth, and the stock price CAGR was continuously increasing when we compare it from the past 5 years. And this company has a very good shareholding patterns, which includes both the foreign institutional investors as well as the domestic institutional investors. If you compare the foreign institutional investors, they hold a stake of 34.75%, which is really very high in this bank, and the domestic institutional investors are holding 14.79%, which is really very high for this company as well. Both the LIC, Aditya Birla, Nippon Life India, and the big mutual funds which are heavily holding into this bank. When it comes into the technical analysis, we have a very strong potential entry which is going to be exactly at a very strong potential support over here. So I'm sure that this bank is generating a good revenues on a year by year basis from the past 5 years, and the customers were gradually increasing from this bank. So this company's stock is going to go and reach at least more than 500 rupees in near future. So this is the recommendation for a value investing. I want all of our fellow investors to keep this stock at least for 1 year. From this point, I'm sure that this stock is going to reach and give us a good returns in the future. I'm going to invest in this company exactly at 180 rupees. As I said, like, I'm going to invest 10 lakhs in this company at 180 rupees, and I'm going to average it when the stock price is going to down at 160 rupees, and I want to hold this stock for 1 year as a value investing, and I will gain more in returns as I said before. So thank you very much for watching this video. I would request all of our fellow investors, please subscribe my channel so that you will get the best breakout stocks with a very strong and the good prices. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.